Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying the claim details and collecting proof, what exactly Facebook says was copied and when. Once done, download the story media and capture screenshots of the claim notification to preserve timestamps. Make sure to pull original files from your device or cloud and any license or purchase receipts that prove you own or have rights. This step prevents delays. Having concrete evidence speeds up appeals and helps Facebook match your materials to their records. Next, file the appeal through the link in the notice. Fill the form precisely, pick the correct right type, add a clear ownership statement, and attach your original file plus receipts or license. Explain why the use is yours or qualifies as fair use, using concise factual sentences. Once submitted, monitor the support inbox and set calendar reminders. Facebook often requests more info within days. Keep all communications and avoid reuploading the same content until resolved. Finish the process by tracking the appeal outcome and following Facebook's directions. If the appeal is denied, but you genuinely own the rights, submit a counter notice carefully and include sworn statements. Know this can trigger legal steps. If issues persist, escalate via Facebook Business Support or Rights Manager with your case ID and evidence bundle. If you hit roadblocks, one key troubleshooting tip: pause reposting and document every interaction. Preserved logs and timestamps make escalation or legal notice far simpler.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.